Criminal passage first start. Learned counsel for the appellants contends that initially, the FIR was lodged by the complainant as a blind murder. However, he had expressed a suspicion against two groups, one comprising of Rab Nawaz, Muzaffar and Bashir Ahmad, and another comprising of Shahid and Fakir Muhammad. But after thorough investigation, when both the groups were declared innocent by the police, the complainant made a supplementary statement with a delay of about 1 month, that is on 25/11/2009, on the basis of some information provided to him by Nawaz and Riaz, that all the three appellants have falsely been implicated in this case, and there is no explanation on the record that why Nawaz and Riaz had not informed complainant regarding the involvement of the appellant for the murder of his brother for a long time, that even in the supplementary statement, the evidence shown against the appellants is that they were seen by Nawaz and Riaz at about 9:10 p.m. between the night of 25/26/10/2009, present near the pulley, armed with unspecified firearms, therefore, this is a case against the appellants without any legal evidence and is based upon circumstantial evidence, the alleged extrajudicial confession before the complainant, Nawaz and Riaz is a fabrication on the part of the prosecution, except extrajudicial confession, there is no other evidence against the appellants in this case, and evidence of recovery, that is only a corroborative piece of evidence, is also a fabrication on the part of police and even otherwise is inconsequential to the prosecution, as the empties recovered from the place of occurrence were sent to the forensic science laboratory on 11/12/2009, after the arrest of the appellants on 3/12/2009, Evidence of extrajudicial confession is a weak type of evidence, especially in the absence of any other corroborative piece of evidence, is of least importance, and trial court has wrongly convicted and sentenced the appellants only on the basis of extrajudicial confession, both the witnesses, that is complainant PW6 and Riaz PW7, are real brothers of the deceased, and they being interested witnesses, have falsely deposed against the appellant, nothing was recovered from the appellant Umar Hayat, and finally prayed for acquittal of the appellants, On the other hand, the learned law officer, assisted by the learned counsel for the complainant, contends that the appellants have been specifically nominated by the complainant in the supplementary statement, both PW6 and PW7 have made their deposition in line with each other, there is strong evidence available against the appellants in the shape of extrajudicial confession made by them before the complainant PW6 and other witness Muhammad Riaz PW7 and given up PW Nawaz, which is sufficient to maintain their conviction, recovery of crime weapons stands effected from the appellants Shahid Rafiq and Muhammad Akhtar, which connect them with the commission of alleged offence, and closed.